Russian-made jets behave in battle with American planes can be seen as Navy Panthers take off on missions over North Korea. Gun sight cameras record for the first time in history a battle between jet fighters as the Panthers go after two Russian-built MiG-15s. One red jet is hit. The other streaks for home. Then the first is hit again and goes down over the Yalu River from 6,000 feet. In battle over a mile high in Korea, the Navy's carrier-based jet fighter proves its tremendous value. Now, from fields in South Korea, Air Force F-86 Sabres take off to search for the enemy. Their cameras, synchronized to shoot automatically whenever the guns fire, record a duel with the Russian MiG jet. The Sabres' bullets find their mark. The MiG goes down in flames. American jet planes and jet pilots pass combat tests with flying colors.